Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Linux Beta in Settings under Developers. This gives you a containerized Debian environment. Reserve 6 to 20 GB depending on how many packages you plan to install, because storage limits affect performance. Once done, backup Chrome data, use an external drive or cloud so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Make sure your Chrome OS is up to date. Older builds sometimes lack necessary container fixes, so update before proceeding. You open the terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to refresh packages and avoid dependency errors. Next, install essentials. Sudo apt install build essential git curl and your editor, such as Vim or Code. This provides compilers, version control, and editing tools. Then configure your shell by editing. Bash rc or profile to add path tweaks and aliases. Adjust Linux settings in Chrome OS to share specific folders. You can install GUI apps with apt or Flatpak, then launch them from the Chrome OS launcher. This lets you run editors, browsers, or IDEs inside Linux. Once done, finalize settings like keyboard layouts, printer sharing, and GPU flags if needed to improve graphics. If performance lags, make sure to increase the container disk size or close heavy Chrome tabs. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the Linux container and check logs via journoctl or crash to diagnose permission or package errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.